So apply the condensed glue gel. If you are using a dipping powder, you make sure you put the base coat first. And keep for 15 seconds before you apply the condensed glue gel. No.
You said Q15?
No, it's just if you're doing,
Dipping?
sorry, if you're using the dipping, then you care, but this is my condensed glue gel. Someone messed it up, everyone. Ah, you're fired.
Yes, for like a million times.
It's okay, he'll be helpless existence, so we can keep him. So apply the no white top coat floating on the top of my unclear condensed glue gel. He almost cleared, but I got him. You can't do that to us. Yeah, so then we're gonna apply this one. And you can pick any of the, I have side right here, I'm gonna show you right here in front of you. You can using SS3, SS6.
Foxy said no. LOL.
I'll be back.
And then I am going to using the white first, clear AB. And usually when you see me doing with like nailsicle instead of popsicle, so then it's hard to holding it, but actually with the with real client's nails, it's easier. So I'm gonna hold her right on the edges of the tray and then just really gentle tap. Great. Tap it down. Put it on the side so I won't mess it up. Tap it first because the condensed glue gels and no white top coat is still really is wet, it's not dry yet, so then I can work on this part first and then sprinkle the pink parts later. I'm really love working with this Diamond Dust Pixie. It seems like it's easy but just really details. Great, so let me move that tray. I'm using the other tray for my pink Pixie. Can you open it, please? Thank you. This is that, I think it's number 0902 is pink and white Pixie. I love this. This one you can use it by itself, like all pink by itself, or you can also using it as a pink and white. And just tap it gently. You don't want them to be moving too much, but just gently tap them so then they are gripping right in to top coat and condensed glue gels. This is how it's gonna keep and anchor it down and keep it nice and last longer. And plus that the no white top coat and condensed glue gels already ready, so when it does, it grab all the crystal and you don't have to even worry about top coat it again. Like there. I'll make sure I tap it down and adjusting it, because in that way they're gonna stay nice and precise instead of look bulky on the side. You can see that. Great. Let's see, I think I have a glove on. There you go. Awesome. So if you're happy with this, now we are going to key it under LED light for 60 seconds on this nails. Make sure you put this one back in so you can use this in the futures. Let me get the lid. And whatever is this doesn't contaminate with the gel, put it back in so then it won't. There's so many different Diamond Dust Pixie
Bonita said, I
collection.
want the Pixie, but I need to cut my expenses.
The Pixie is so beautiful. And then 20% off of any ombre collection. Also Pixie and Trendy Crystal are going on special sales right now. And I think it's like 2 more days is due.
Shiny Claus asked, what is the name of that Pixie pink?
So you want pink and white. So
it's
that should
pink
be
and
number
white.
2 set.
Number 2 set, I think it's pink and white. I got it right on my size. I'm going to show you. I'm really obsessed with this. Like even you doing this by itself, or you can do this pink by itself, or you can do clear IB by itself, or you can do it ombre. There you can see the set of ombre, like they looks like they are ombre. They are ready. We did all the work for you, so you can see that the ombre pair go together. And there's also the instruction in the back. So then, if, just in case you forget, you can always look at really simple. And I'm so obsessed. We're using a lot of this, like the colors, most popular colors, and also the pink, the purple one is really nice too. The purple, the green, we did banana, which is the yellow. It's just really a lot of fun design we can do with. Especially it's come like in the pair like that, so it's even helped so much better. So I'm going to using precision glue here. I love this guy working with my Diamond Dust Pixie, because there's a lot of people were asking, and then the Diamond Dust just keep coming off, either coming off or it looks dirty, just because that if you didn't do the top coat on, and what happened is still have a tacky layer underneath, and then a few days later the clients wearing it, they start collecting a lot of dust, and the fur get between the Diamond Dust Pixie because it's not like completely tack free. So then it's collecting all the dust and the furs in there, so it make it look so dark color and look dirty. So with this, we have a client that's going for a few weeks back, and it still looks nice. Unless they really like trust their hands and smash it. If not, they're busy with it, easy with their hands, and it should look exactly like this when they come back. It's like trust their hands, and Isabella raised her hand. So now I want to key it for 60 seconds. So I did using a precision brush, the needles, and I go around with the frame. So if you are first time tuning in, this is a precision glue gels. I'm gonna close this one. First I'm gonna show you. Make sure you put the red cap on. And I'm gonna close this. Can you key it for 60 seconds, Isabella? And then, this is the precision one that I closed it, and I'm gonna using, on the other end is a brush. So just in case that if you want to add some little crystals, little stones, and a halo around the kitty coat, the brushes come really handy. And if you want to go into between all the cracks, gaps, and the edges, or you feel scratchy, you can using on that needle. So it's give it really precise at exactly where you need to fill it in, so then you won't not flooded your crystals, and also they're not like cover or go over the crystals.
Maya said, yes, crossing my fingers, toes, and hairs for this giveaway.
Yep, so giveaway, ladies, please remember to enter to win. I think there are a couple days more for you to enter to win. So if you didn't have chance to enter, just look in the original post, and please feel free to tag your bestie so your bestie can see that and enter a giveaway as well. Good luck, lady. Have fun and good luck. All right, so going to the last nails, I'm